Hey, what's up, everybody? It is me, the home cook hero, back with the new easy recipe for y'all. Today I am making crispy, crunchy fried jerk shrimp with a homemade ranch dipping sauce. Y'all, this stuff is bomb, and it is definitely a crowd pleaser whenever I make it. So, y'all, I am done talking right now, and I'm about to start talking again so we can get into the video. Alright, y'all, so for the homemade ranch dressing or dipping sauce, I added in some sour cream, then I added in the ranch seasoning. You can find in any grocery store. It's pretty popular now. And then after that, I also added in some buttermilk. I added a little bit more of the ranch seasoning mix after I tasted it, just because I wanted a little bit more of that intense ranch flavor. So then I mixed everything up, added in a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper, added in a little bit of parsley, just to make it look more appealing. And yeah, y'all, then I just stirred it all up. So that is done. Now on to the fried jerk shrimp. I just use some Walker's Wood jerk seasoning or jerk marinade, and it works perfectly fine. So y'all, have about a half a pound of clean and deveined shrimp that's pat dry, which is, like I always say, very important when you want to make crispy, fried, whatever. Then I just added in some pepper on top of the jerk marinade, some honey to balance out that spiciness, and then some buttermilk. And I just mixed it all up as I always do. And after that, I just set it to the side. So now for the seasoned flour mix, I used about a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, went in with some garlic powder, went in with some pepper, and then lastly, this ingredient right here is smoked paprika. And I kind of went a little heavy-handed with the paprika just to make the breading or the coating a little bit more red, to give it some color. So yeah, and then that little stuff right there that I put in is just some of the buttermilk that's left over from the marinade. So it has kind of like those jerk seasonings and everything in there. And if you want to know why I'm doing that, then go check out my Old Bay lemon pepper wings video, because I explain why I'm dropping in that seasoned buttermilk in there. So y'all, after that, I just shook everything up, added the shrimp to the flour mixture, and just, like I said, shook it all up and placed everything to the side. And then after that, we will be ready to fry up these jerk shrimp. So now, y'all, for actually cooking the jerk shrimp, to a pan that has about a quarter of an inch to half an inch of oil in it that's been heating up on medium heat for a couple of minutes, I'm just adding in all of the shrimp. And as you see, I'm kind of trying to place them away from me. Some of them I just really didn't. But yeah, you want to kind of like place the shrimp away from you so it doesn't splash on you. I'm kind of used to it at this point, but you know, if you don't want any oil splashing on you, just place them in away from you. Then I'm just cooking them on each side for a couple of minutes. Want to make sure that they're not getting too cooked, because the jerk seasoning on there kind of can deceive you a little bit, because the jerk seasoning is obviously dark in color, and so you might think that, you know, the shrimp is more overcooked than it actually really is. But no, rest assured, it's not. So just cook the shrimp on each side for a couple of minutes, about 2 minutes on each side, and the shrimp will come out perfect. And y'all, the shrimp came out so crunchy and so crispy, and that jerk marinade really did its thing. Even though we didn't let the shrimp marinate for too long, if really at all, it still came out so good. And y'all, this would be even great over like some pasta, like a jerk shrimp kind of pasta. That would be really good. Or also, this would be good as just like an appetizer. You can eat this, you know, any kind of like special occasion or any type of like get together where you just want to have some quick appetizers that are so good, because we have that dipping sauce right there. It makes it more interactive, and yeah, y'all, it really is good. So y'all, for the finishing touches and for presentation purposes, I added a little bit of smoked paprika onto the homemade ranch dipping sauce. Also sprinkled some more of that paprika over top of the shrimp, just for a little bit of color, y'all. And lastly, of course, you got to put the parsley on it, just, you know, to make the picture look nice for Instagram. Which, by the way, you should definitely check out my Instagram at home_cook_hero and follow me if you like what you see. Yeah, y'all, like I always say, that is it for the video. I squeezed a little bit of lemon on the top of it just because I was about to dive in, y'all, I promise y'all. But yeah, y'all, if you like the video, if you enjoy my content and my recipes, you can definitely subscribe to the channel so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I appreciate you all watching, like always. So y'all, until the next video, I will see y'all soon.